Dear students, we are going to discuss the concept which is very, very important, that is addition of integers today. Okay, as you all know that we have studied two types of integers. One is positive, another one is negative. Okay, so we have studied two types of integers right now, that is positive and negative integers. And remember what we will do, because as you all know that positives are also number only, negatives are also numbers only they are different with signs. ठीक है, वन को हम पॉजिटिव में भी लिखते हैं बेटा, वन को हम नेगेटिव में भी लिखते हैं, बस उनका क्या होता है, साइन डिफरेंट होता है ना, उनका केवल साइन डिफरेंट होता है. तो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल जस्ट सिंपली denote them by different two signs. Now as I am using one single chalk, so I will only use my chalk to denote one positive, one negative. But if you have sketch colors, please use for positive a different color, negative a different color. Okay, now look at here. This is for positive one and this is for negative one. ठीक है, that means this is one positive and this is one negative. ठीक है, suppose I will tell you to note it down. Students please write it down to positive. Suppose मैंने आपको बोला कि आपको टू पॉजिटिव लिखना है, ठीक है, सो अगर आपको टू पॉजिटिव बोला लिखने के लिए तो आप क्या करोगे, पॉजिटिव वाला ये है, सो अगर आपको +2 लिखना है तो यू विल राइट इट डाउन 2 times. सो दिस इज +1, दिस इज वन मोर +1, सो मिलाकर कितना हो गया बेटा, +2. ओके, +2. So yes, so students, I was discussing here that if you have to take two positive, then you will take this one only two positive. Suppose you want 3 negative now. Suppose आपको 3 negative चाहिए तो आप क्या करेंगे बेटा, नेगेटिव वाला साइन कौन सा है, ये वाला है. So you will have 1 negative, 2 negative and 3 negative. And this is the sign of negative. So it means this is 1 negative, this is one more negative, this is one more negative. So total 3 negatives. Okay, so total 3 negatives. So all of you please write it down this thing on your fair copy to understand in a more better way. Okay, so this is all about taking 2 positive or taking 3 negative, or let's say you have to take 8 positive or 7 negative, like that you can choose it. Okay, now understand students, there is one more thing which you should always know. Suppose एक बच्चा है वो पॉजिटिव है और एक बच्चा जो है वही सेम टाइम नेगेटिव है. सपोज हम बात करते हैं, आपकी क्लास में 2 बच्चे हैं, ठीक है, एक है बहुत अच्छा वाला, उसको हमने ले लिया पॉजिटिव, एक है बहुत बुरा बच्चा, बहुत शैतान बच्चा, वो हो गया आपका नेगेटिव. तो एक हो गया पॉजिटिव बॉय और एक हो गया नेगेटिव बॉय. सो नाउ पॉजिटिव बॉय एंड नेगेटिव बॉय व्हेन दे कम टुगेदर, बिकॉज यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एडिशन. So when the positive boy and the negative boy come together, they are of same positive energy, same negative energy. उनके जितनी उसके पास positive energy same है, दूसरे के पास same energy negative है. तो जब एक दूसरे से दोनों combine करेंगे तो दोनों के दोनों आपस में एक दूसरे को cancel कर देंगे. ठीक है, remember always one positive coming with one negative will cancel each other. Okay, they will cancel each other means they will give you 0, because now you are doing the chapter integer. तो आपको थोड़ा सा अलग तरीके से समझना होगा बेटा, because अभी तक you have not dealt with negative numbers. ठीक है, so remember जब एक positive एक negative के साथ आता है, so they always cancel each other and give you 0. Okay, and you are knowing 0 will not be positive, 0 will not be negative, दोनों neutral हो गए. ठीक है, एक पॉजिटिव ने लड़ाई की दूसरे वाले नेगेटिव के साथ और दोनों ने एक दूसरे को खत्म कर दिया, मतलब नाउ दे आर विथ 0. रिमेंबर दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. सो one positive, one negative coming together will cut each other and give you 0. ठीक है, I'm telling you once again, now look at here below. इसको अपनी कॉपी में मेंशन करो बेटा. How will you mention? Now look at here. One positive, one negative, one negative, one positive, and this is negative one. So now look at here, one negative, one positive coming together will give you 0 only. Write it down this in your fair copy. Okay, now the same way as I have told, you have one positive with one negative, you will get it 0. So now this concept only you have to use in our situations. ठीक है? So इतना चीज बस आपको याद रखना है बेटा, आपको और कुछ एक्स्ट्रा याद नहीं रखना है. Now let us try some questions related to it and then we will perform the activity related to it. Okay? Now look at here. Suppose I give you question that you have to add -3 and -2. आपको दो इंटीजर ऐड करने हैं, ठीक है, -3 और -2. अब सपोज आप बात कर रहे हो -3 की. -3 कैसे होता है बेटा? 1 this 2 and 3. This is -3. Okay. Now suppose you want -2 also because -3 पे आपको -2 ऐड करना है. So this is -2, 1 and 2. Now see, nothing is cancelling here. कुछ भी cancel नहीं हो रहा बेटा, ठीक है? Nothing is cancelling here. Just look at here. In total, अब आप इन दोनों को ऐड करोगे. Now look at here. 1 2 3 4 5. यहाँ तो टोटल 5 नेगेटिव हो गए टोटल मिला के, ठीक है? Now you can see in total you are getting total 5 negatives now. 1 2 3 4 5. So the answer will be 5 negative. 5 negatives. In total you will have total 5 negatives. Suppose now I am giving you the next condition of question. Suppose दूसरा question करते हैं. Now this time you have +5 -3. ठीक है? +5 -3. How will you do बेटा? Now बेटा +5 का मतलब होता है 1 2 3 4 5. This is +5. Now if you want -3, you will have 1 2 3. In this way you will have -3. अब आपको क्या करना है बेटा? Now you have to add this 2. अब आप कैसे ऐड करोगे? Now look at here. आप उसको मत देखो, आप इसको देखो केवल. 1 positive 1 negative cancelled will give you 0. 1 positive 1 negative cancelled will give you 0. Again 1 positive 1 negative will be cancelled will give you 0. बचा क्या? बचा क्या? केवल 2 बचे हुए देखो. और 2 कौन से बचे हुए हैं? पॉजिटिव वाले. कौन से 2 बचे हुए हैं? 2 पॉजिटिव वाले. So it means your answer will be 2 positive. And 2 positive का मतलब होता है you will write it down here +2. Okay. So now students, we are going to discuss the questions which are given by me. So this is -3 and -2. So 1 2 and 3.
Ma'am, I know answer, ma'am.
Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Please be quiet. I am recording. Please be quiet. -3. Then you have -2. This is -2. Now you can see all are negative only. All are negative only. So 1 2 3 negative, 1 2 negative. So total 3 negative added with 2 negative will give you total 5 negative. So the answer will be -5. The answer will be -5. Next question which I gave you was +5 -3. +5 -3. So how will you do? Now see this. -3 I have already taken now. Now I'm giving you +5. So 1 2 3 4, 5. This is plus 5. Now we will add this two. 1 positive, 1 negative will cancel and give you 0. 1 positive, 1 negative will cancel and give you 0. Again 1 positive, 1 negative will cancel and give you 0. Now you are only left with 2 positives. You are only left with 2 positives. So 2 positive will be the answer now. Plus 2. Okay, you will have answer as plus 2. Now move on to the next question, that is, the next one is plus 3 plus 1. So 1, 2, 3. This is plus 3. And then you have plus 1. So this is plus 1. Now you have to add this all. Now you can see there is no negative number, beta. There is no negative number here. You only have all positives. You only have all positives. So all positive means there are 1, 2, 3 positive, 1 positive. So total will be 4 positive. So the answer will be plus 4 for this question. Now move on to the next question, that is minus 7 plus 2. Minus 7 plus 2. How we will do minus 7 plus 2? Here it is written minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this is now positive. Sorry, this is negative 7. Now you want positive 2. So this is positive 2. Now you are knowing you have to add this. Add this means, beta, 1 positive, 1 negative will cancel and give you 0. Cancel ho gaya. 1 positive, 1 negative will be cancelled and give you 0. Now you are left with only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are left with 5 negatives. Okay, absolutely correct. You people are writing the answer in the chat box also, which are absolutely right. The answer will be minus 5. Now, last but not the least, that positive 2 and negative 2. So now look at here, 1 and 2. This is negative 2. Now 2 are positive 2. And now when you have to add this both, answer will give you 0. Why answer will give you 0, beta? Because 1 positive, 1 negative will cancel each other, will give you 0. 1 positive, 1 negative will cancel each other and again will give you 0. So the overall answer for this question will be 0. And 0 is not positive, not negative. So there will not be any specific sign with it. You will simply have 0 in it.